Hi all, welcome to new tutorial. So in this tutorial, we will be studying how to connect our ESP8266 with the Alexa. This will be a kind of home automation kind of thing. Next step towards the home automation. And in the last few videos, as you have seen, we will be adding the libraries, okay, Arduino and the ESP8266 Wi-Fi library. And then this is a new thing basically, Foxmo ESP .h header file will be adding. I'll tell you, like you can get the link from the GitHub, okay, directly you can download. This is a open source Foxmo ESP, okay. So with the help of this, you can directly add a number of devices into your Alexa, okay. And then you have to set the baud rate, whatever the baud rate you want, okay. And then I'm taking okay, so this is the simple like as we have done in the last few videos. Just we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. We will be waiting for the Wi-Fi until and unless it will be connected. Once it will connect, so we'll be just printing okay connected, that's it. These are quite similar whatever we have used in the previous things. In this, I'm taking again LED as an output, since I don't have the other things, and this is the quarantine time, so I didn't get the time to get all the other things. So and the this is a steel board rate whatever we'll be using, okay. These are simple things, only print and all kind of things. Wi-Fi setup, that already we have the function up. And here we can add the device, like foxmo dot add device, whatever the device we want to add you can add here. You can add n number of devices, you can same copy paste and okay, and just copy paste and add here whatever you want to use, light or fan or whatever you want to use, you can use those, okay. For the time being I'm using light. And these are generation 3 kind of devices, okay. And then you have to set the port number 80 I'm using for it, okay. And then you just need to enable, okay. Once you will enable, then only it will work. And this is the function, okay. I'll come back to this function later. First we'll go to the while loop. This is the foxmo dot handle, okay. So this is, once the interrupt will occur, so this will go to this function, okay. And once it will come here, so there will be some device ID and the device name will be this one, device ID, that will be assigned by the foxmo, okay. And you will get the state, whatever the state will be, on and off, whatever it is, okay. So here you will be, if state, like if it will be 1, okay, so means you just, I am printing over the in the console on, uh, and then similarly I'm just putting it the high, and else off and is low, okay. So again, as the last few videos we have seen that here for my device, high and low both are working like completely ulta, okay. So it's a opposite kind of thing. So what you need to do is you just need to, I'll show in my mobile. So just flash it, okay, simply upload it. So I've already uploaded it, so I won't do it again, okay. And just go to your Alexa application, okay, log in there. And here in the bottom side you can see the devices, and go to add devices. In the top right side you can see add device, and go to add device, and then go to other. Here you can see the other, okay. And then discover devices. So once you will start discover devices, it will take 45 seconds. It will take 45 seconds to discover, okay. Let it start. So once it will finish, okay, I'm waiting for it to finish. So once it will finish, so it will show you the device whatever you have added, okay. And then you can easily configure it with the help of Alexa, okay. Meanwhile what I will do is I will open the console, okay, and I will reset it again, okay. Okay, I have resetted it, so it is taking some time to connect, okay. Yeah, so you can see connecting, and then you can see it is connected and I got the IP address, okay. So it will take just, I think, few seconds are left, okay. Yeah, so this is done. So once this will be finished, you just go to all the devices, and here you can see the list of devices whatever is connected over here, okay. So what you can do, if you want to check whether it's working fine or not, go here and tell whatever, for my case I have used light. I have added the device name light here, okay, light. So I will be using light as the name, okay. So here you can, from here also you can use turn on light, okay. See, you can see the light state on, but here, Okay, it is ulta, because it will be for my board configuration, this will high will work as a low and low will work as high. Okay, turn off light. Okay, you can see. Okay, if you want me to test with the Alexa, I will tell. I have already Alexa with me, Echo Dot. So Alexa, turn on my light. Okay, so you can see. Okay, it's working. Alexa, turn off light. Yeah, so you can see, so easily you can configure with this, and you can use your Alexa, and this is not only for the local server. Okay, so if see, what I can do is I can just okay, so Wi-Fi, I'm not using a Wi-Fi connection now. I'm using only my this thing Alexa application. Okay, so I am on my cellular data connection. Okay, so now I will try once again. Turn on light. See, turn off light. So I think it, turn off light. Yeah, so now you can see, so it's working fine with the cellular connection also. So wherever you will be, you can easily control your devices. So this is not a like big deal, so it's very easy. So I think most of the things I have covered in this video. So if you have any other doubt, you can just ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.